So Don and I are here on Frontage Road, and in back of us is what used to be the parking lot right south of City Hall. And across the creek, of course, is Trail Station Park. And what you're looking at right now is we've actually done the groundbreaking for the expansion of Trail Station Park onto this side. It will almost double the size of Trail Station Park. And also it's the addition of a spray pad, which is a water element that kids can use in the summertime. There will also be restrooms here, landscaping, pathways, benches, picnic tables, so that families can use this. And we're hoping to have this completed by July of this year, which is really, you know, kind of optimistic, but it's very, very doable if everything works together. And I really want to compliment Don and his department because they're doing so much of the work here, which not only saves the city money, but it moves the whole project forward tremendously. I want to make this clear that this is not a DRI project. This is a grant that we got a couple of years before we were awarded the Downtown Revitalization Initiative, and it was for a spray pad in Trail Station Park. We decided to expand that project dramatically by putting the spray pad on this side of the park so that it wasn't so crowded on the other side. It was a constriction of space on the other side of the park.
So, as you can hear and see in the background, DPW is removing the pavement. That's the sound of progress that we're trying to speak over. After that, we'll be leveling off the ground and planting trees, shrubs, and laying down sod. We'll also be replacing the bridge that went in the back that we had to take down last fall. It'll be a larger bridge, a little more aesthetically pleasing. We'll be able to have bicycles and pedestrians at the same time on that bridge. Shortly after that, they'll start construction on the actual spray pad itself.
Yeah, the bridge itself is going to be level. It's going to be level with grade, so it'll be easy to cycle across it. It'll be much, much wider than the original curved bridge that we had before. And there will be a protected bike lane that will connect this park to downtown. So Church Street will be redone in the context of the DRI. It's one of the projects in the DRI, and it will connect with Bleecker Square and then the Farmers Market Pavilion. So it'll be easily accessible by bike and by pedestrian, by foot, from here to downtown. So this is one of those things that is going to be greatly used. I've talked to mayors of other cities, mostly larger cities that have spray pads, and they've told me that once you have a spray pad in your city, you're going to end up having two more within a couple of years because they're so popular. People love them. So this will be the first one. We're just first time for a new recreational facility here, very close to our downtown, in a place that's really accessible, walkable for most people. So this is just another step in building a better downtown Gloversville. Thank you.